do you get up in the morning? Do you wake up fresh and rejuvenated, or you're dull and lethargic, do not want to carry on with the day? What if I tell you I have a magic formula that will wake you up energetically, enthusiastically, and a new motivation to carry on with the day? It will push you out of your comfort zone and enhance your personal growth. You'll learn new skills, develop new strengths, and expand your horizon. It will enhance your self confidence, develop new self esteem, and have the sense of accomplishment. I'll quote Einstein here. If you want to live a fuller and successful life, tie it to your goals, not to people or things. Yes, today's topic is goals. Welcome to the channel. You are special. Hi, I am Shachi Seth. I'm a writer, entrepreneur, life coach, and yes, your friend, best friend. Today's topic is goals. Let me share some instances with you. Instance number one, I want to run tomorrow. Instance number two, I want to run tomorrow 200 meters in 3 minutes. Instance number three, I have decided to run tomorrow at 7 a.m. for 200 meters in 3 minutes. What stance or what statement would enhance my performance? What will encourage me to go and fast and run? The statement number three, clear, precise, specific goal. To run, to wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning, go for a run, 200 meters in 3 minutes. The goals should be clear and specific. But why should we have goals? What is the importance of goals? Let me take you to your past. Do you remember your school picnic? You were told tomorrow you have to come 1 hour early. The goal? We have to go to picnic. How energetic and enthusiastic were you? Did anybody need you to wake up? Did you need an alarm clock? Did your mom or dad wake you? No. The enthusiasm and energy was so much you woke up on your own. You had the eye on the goal, the picnic. This is how the goals are important. If you have these goals, you wake up every day with the same enthusiasm, same energy, and with the motivation to carry on the day. That's why the goals are the most important part of your life. Without goals, your life is like a fish without water, a boat without an anchor. I hope you get it how important goals are for your life. Goals add a new dimension to our life. They make our life exciting and purposeful. We know what our calling is. Without goals, we are simply breathing. We are not living a life. So let's live a fuller life. Let's plan a goal. Plan a goal? Something new? Yes, goals are meaningless without a plan. We should have a thorough plan. Why? Okay, let me share a case study. Mr. A is fat and he wants to reduce weight. What is want? A desire, not a goal. How to make it into a goal? How to make sure that goal is fulfilled? We have to plan it accordingly. We have to plan it smartly. SMART. The smart way of goal. What is smart? Let's go step by step. S. S for specific. Our goals should be specific, precise, and to the point. Why? Let's say you want to go out for lunch with your friends, group of friends. What will you do? Get up and go? You need proper planning. You need the restaurant, the type of food, the ambience, number of people that can fit into that room. You have to plan accordingly. Now, when we get to a case study, Mr. A wants to have proper planning and he needs to know who people are involved. Mr. A wants to lose weight. He needs self motivation. He needs a diet plan. For that, he'll need a nutritionist and he needs a trainer also that will guide him to exercise. He needs sustainable plan, specific plan. Second, smart, M, measurable. Goals should be measurable. If we can measure the goals, we can analyze our progress and track our achievements. Similarly, in a case study where Mr. A is trying to lose weight, how much weight is he supposed to lose? He has to have the measure, the right quantity. Mr. A is healthy or fat, he needs to lose 20 kgs. The goals are measurable, so he will know, he'll be satisfied and he'll come to know every time he loses a kg of weight. Next approach, smart. A, achievable. Our goals should be achievable. They should be scientific and practical. As per our case study, if Mr. A wants to lose 20 kg, it's fine. But he wants to lose 20 kgs in a month. Is it healthy? Is it scientific? No. The goal should be precise and achievable. Next approach, smart, are relevance. Goals should be relevant. Relevancy and goals go hand in hand, and it should align with the moral beliefs and purpose. It should be in alignment with our personality. It should go in harmony with our personality. It should match our moral values. Smart T time bound. Goals are valuable only if it added with or attached with timelines. Adding time motivates you, creates a sense of urgency, dedication, and commitment. In our case study, Mr. A, if he wants to lose 20 kg, he'll be fine. He'll do it gradually. He'll take it for granted. But if he has added a timeline, I want to lose 20 kgs in 4 months, how dedicated, how tedious and continuous his efforts would be. He will lose 5 kgs in every month. He'll celebrate every kg loss. And he knows his goal within 4 months. Hence, time is a very essential element in goal planning. Goals are dreams with deadlines. So you have to be smart that you already are and smartly plan your goals. They say true success is not about achieving your goals. It is consistently working towards meaningful and desired goals. We have considered now goals are important, planning the goals are important. Now how do we move forward? First, think big, aim bigger. You're what you think yourself to be. Think yourself, keep yourself on a higher pedestal. The goal should be bigger than what you think you are. It should improve your self esteem. Two, goals should be right in front of your eyes. Make a vision board, nicely decorated vision board. Keep it in your cupboard, somewhere where you will see daily. It should pump you up and excite you to go and perform right now. Three, it should be alignment with your ikagai. You should be passionate about it. What is ikagai? It's a Japanese term to do whatever you like to do. If you are passionate about what you're doing, you enjoy what you're doing, you'll do enhance, your performance will be better. It should be such, the goal should be such that you wake up in the morning excitedly, no, I have to do this work, I have to achieve this goal in life. Four, your goal should be easily dividable, long term and short term. If you have a 5 year goal, divide into every year, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, so that you know what your progress is. You can celebrate your every success. And last not the least, write them down. Always write your goals. It should be in front of your eyes. If you write it, your brain gets activated and helps you to perform well in your goals. I'm sure with persistent efforts, you can achieve your goals. You will achieve new successes, and once your goals are over, you'll plan new goals in life, which will again take you to success because you are special. You're meant to succeed in life. Only thing is, you need a planned, efficient goal, smartly planned goal. After this video, how many of you plan to have a goal in the vision board written down? Do mention in the comment box below. And if you already have goals and the vision board, do share it also. I'll share it with others. I'll give a shout out. If you like the video, remember the drill. Like, subscribe, and bell for notifications. If you want to read my book, 10 Steps to Personality Enhancement, the link is given below. I hope you enjoyed my video. Goodbye. God bless.